Jasmine, we're ready.
This is the story of, don't remember this one's name.
Duchess.
Daisy, Donald, Mickey, and Pluto. We will begin in 5 seconds.
Wait, where are you going? Come over here. Come on. Stop.
I'm going to attack.
Okay.
I'm going to go attack them.
You're gonna go attack?
Duchess and Pluto.
No, she's going to show Cody.
We can have a different show where you can attack her, okay?
Now, one day, Donald and Daisy were walking to a park.
It's my turn.
Okay.
Mickey and Minnie came and started walking with them. Then Duchess and Pluto came and started walking with them too. As they were walking, they noticed something. One of them had gotten rid of their belly fur. It was Duchess.
Could you please help me put the paw up?
The paw up?
Yes.
What do you mean?
Pluto said,
Just a second.
Duchess, I saw that you cut your belly fur. Duchess said, thank you, I did.
Go around.
Then a freak snowstorm happened.
What?
I don't know if the snow could be so then.
Hector.
Hector, you have to get out, buddy.
Hector,
Hector.
sit down over
You
here.
can't be
Let her do her
backstage.
show.
No one can be backstage. You're doing the play.
Jasmine, we have short attention spans.
Yeah, you take.
Hector.
Gotta go fast
No,
shows.
it's almost over.
Okay.
They ran home and went to bed. The end.
The end.